So just get nice and comfortable for your meditation. And once you've listened to this meditation a few times, it's a lovely way to start your day. So you could just do it on your own without the recording once you just get the gist of how we can bring a sense of health and well-being into our body. So for now, make sure you're very comfortable. Body's supported and either lying down or sitting up, and have your back nice and aligned. Just gently close your eyes. And then just open up all your senses to everything that's going on around you. Notice that there are noises, thoughts, feelings in your body. Just let all of that be present. Not trying to stop any of this information and force yourself into silence, but rather welcoming it, just letting it be. Just take in the room where you are, or the area where you are if you happen to be outside. Just have a sense of the space around you, even though you've got your eyes closed. And then gradually bring your attention closer to your body. And very much now to the felt sense of your body. The weight of your body and the balance of your body. The parts of your body that are touching the surface that you're either sitting or lying on. Feeling of your clothes on your skin. And then bring your attention even closer in to your breath. And just notice the sensation of your breath in your body. A nice, easy inhale, no effort or struggle. And a gentle exhale, just let your breath fall out of your body. And just scan your body as you breathe out. And first of all, notice whether there are any parts of your body that have tension or pain or discomfort. And as your breath moves through those parts of your body, just notice. Not analysing or wondering where that came from or telling yourself a story about it, but just noticing the different sensations in your body. Let your breath be like a wave that just moves through your body, just noticing what's there. No judgment, no need to push it away, just welcoming all feeling and sensation in your body. And if there's a part of your body that's not working very well at the moment, or is carrying illness or dis-ease, as you breathe out, just notice that part of your body. Not trying to change it, no judgment about it. Just noticing it's there. Now as you breathe out, just be back with your whole body. So when we have parts of our body that are not working so well, we tend to focus on those parts, often in a negative way. So just let your body merge as one. As you breathe out, sensing your whole body. And now as you breathe in, imagine that through your pores you're breathing in a sense of health and wholeness and wellness. And now as you breathe in, imagine that you're breathing in through your pores a sense of wholeness and wellness and vitality and healing. Comes in through every pore in your body, filling your body. And as you breathe out, just being aware again of the whole body. Breathing in a sense of wholeness and health. Whatever it is that you feel you need in your body right now, breathe it in through your pores. And as you exhale, just letting your breath fall from your body, sensing your whole body as one. And now bring into your awareness a sense of appreciation. Appreciation for this body that carries you around, that is continually working to come back to balance. Have a sense of compassion for your body, kindness. What are you appreciating about your body right now, about your health, about your well-being? Bring that appreciation fully into your experience, alive in your body. Take a nice deep breath in. Sigh your exhale. And slowly start to bring your attention back to the room, bringing back with you this sense of wholeness and health in your body, this awareness of your body continually working to come back to balance. Just gently coming back, fully back to the room. And just notice today, or any day, when you are getting down, negative, even depressed about something that's going on with your health or your body. And see if you can just sit for a few moments and instead of just focusing on that one thing, bring your attention back to your whole body and what you can appreciate and feel that is vital and well about you. Enjoy the rest of your day.